Hey guys, it's me. Yeah, your favorite YouTuber, Vivaan Lahane, Superstar Spy. I'm gonna show you some cool things about scooters. Okay, so first you gotta see this. It's an unboxing video. I've unboxed my Razor scooter. Yeah, the name is Razor. This is the name. You see this? It says Razor, right? Yeah, that's the name of my scooter. So my scooter, so it had the light up wheel system and the floating system, the folding system, and the rear brake system. Plus, it's ages 5+, and I'm 5+, so I can use this. And it has max rider weight. And it has 50 kgs. Yeah, that's a lot. It's a kick scooter too. You see, yeah, there's like you can see this. It's a kick scooter. You see it? Yeah. Look, you can read this. It says kick scooter. Right here it says kick scooter. Kick scooter. And like the S presents kick scooter. I mean, the S presents it's a scooter. Plus it's lightning. That's why it's like an S with lightning on it. So I'm gonna unbox this today, and let's get started. So get this out. It's like I broke some things. Okay, guys, I unboxed it. Now I'm gonna show you some of the things. So this is like this is the handle. Yeah, and this is like the user manual. This is gonna be so fun. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. You can build scooters with this. Yeah, it's gonna be so fun to build this. So I'm gonna build this, and in the next video I'm gonna come back with this. And also I have to say something else. You can get this in Walmart, and it's like the cycling section, so that's where I bought it. Yeah, but there's like a orange and blue kick scooter, and like near that there's a motor scooter. Yeah, I think like some classes can use that. So I'm gonna be building this, and I will be back in the next video. Bye bye. Vivaan Lahane, Superstar Spy.